You lovable bastards, I'm back in the lab and let me show you what's going on in the embroidery room real quick. Luffy, Snake Man, Killua, got another Killua piece going right there. Woo! Today I got a special treat for you guys. Psych, I don't got shit planned, but I am going to show you how to scale your DTG business on social media. Let's get it. So, I'm gonna open packages for you guys today. Very awesome, because they're from fans. Those fans are called vendors. And guess what? They're right here. Ooh, like that? Like that? So these are the boxes right here. You see Gildan on the box, but these are not Gildan products. We use different kind of vendors, but we buy from two different companies. I'll give you the companies down below in the description, or right here. Bam. And so they just use the recycle boxes, but I'm really hoping these are from the correct vendor because I need these garments and I need them to be completed before I go to my surgery appointment. So let's get into it and see what they are. Scissors. Oh, and you can't forget the notebook. 8-day task challenge for 100 days. If you haven't looked at my last video, watched my last video, get on it. I'll link it in the description or put it right here and you can go start the 8-day task challenge to increase your productivity. Yes. The Port & Company hoodies are in. For a specific customer, special customer. How many of these are in? I can actually get these out. This is really awesome. Big boy. I'm really hoping this is what I needed. Okay, we got shirts. Ooh. Oh, okay, I see the hoodies. Awesome. Here is my order sheet right here. Everything's in here. We can start this order. Yeah, we can start this order. We got 3 days to kick this shit in hyperdrive. All right. This machine was down for like almost a month. I just got it back from the person who helps me fix it, and I am loving it. They're all coming out so dope, and it's just so sick to see 3 machines going. Ooh, I don't like it. I need to change the angle. This angle looks pristine, exquisite. I can control this with this remote right here. So you want me to zoom in? Fuck, you want me to zoom in? Why do you want me to zoom out, dude? So I am back on my floor with the Akatsuki by Sunset hoodie. I'll put them in the description down below. And guess what? Click right here and follow me on Instagram. I look like I'm crying, fuck. So I wanted to share my tips on how to grow or scale a DTG business on social media. What's going on, everybody? It's Devontae Harris back with another video, and I wanted to hop in front of the camera real quick just to show you ways to scale your business on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'm kind of learning on Twitter, so I really won't, I don't know if I'm gonna share my insights on that, but in TikTok. So my Instagram, I have 7,000 followers. On my other page, I have 5,000 followers. On my TikTok, I have almost 40,000 followers. On my Facebook, nobody really uses Facebook anymore. It's gonna be called the Metaverse, but we're not gonna get into that. We're not gonna get into that. I really wanted to just come in here. I don't know if I'd rather give you guys tips or just give you my insight on how I scaled my business on these platforms. Let's start off with Instagram. Instagram is really cool because this app allows you to showcase your images in all its glory. It allows you to host your photos in like a portfolio. I know there are still quite a bit of people that are not using Instagram, or they do and they kind of fall off because they don't see any traction. The main thing you want to do on Instagram is utilize the reels, the stories, the highlights, and posting, of course, okay? I try to post twice every day, every single day. If I can't do that on my feed, I'm posting on my story. And you're documenting your life, your journey of your business, and showing people what's happening right now or a few minutes ago. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. And your highlights are what people can go back to and refer to. Things they might have questions on, things of that nature. I might do something like this on another video and show you guys how I have my Instagram page set up. But for now, click right here and go follow the Instagram right now. If you're not on Instagram right now, that is the biggest mistake you are making for your business. You're not giving your business its full potential. I'm on Instagram all the time. I'm on Twitter all the time. I'm on Facebook all the time. I'm on YouTube. I'm on TikTok all the time. And yes, it can get crazy, but these apps are designed to help your business grow if you're utilizing them properly. Post all the time, post as much as you can. Even if you might not have anything to post, people want to know. I've told this to quite a few people already. People go, Devontae, how are you growing your DTG business? Because I primarily only do DTG. How are you growing your DTG business? I'm in front of the people all the time. When people are sleeping, I'm in front of them. I post so much so they don't forget me. And even if I don't have anything to post, I'm still going to go on Instagram and say, what's going on, guys? Happy holidays, or I hope you guys are doing swell, blah, 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 tips, tricks. I mean, whatever the case may be, I'm always in front of the camera, just like I am now, okay? Scratch my back. Oh. I had to take off my hoodie because I was burning up. Got the shirt on though. By Sunset, go check them out in the description. Going back to those tips, posting frequently, posting on your story, posting on your highlights, posting on your reels, okay? You can also pay for advertisement. Boost your fucking Instagram posts. Promote in your region, promote locally, promote in other states. Instagram ads are so cheap right now. Why aren't you guys using them? Hashtags. You gotta use hashtags, people. Using hashtags are very, very important. This is how people looking in niches or in your niche find out who you are. Does that make sense? I hope it does. If you're an older type of person and you're like, I don't really wanna use these ads, that you're losing. Websites are not enough. You need these apps in order to grow your business. Hashtags, that's how fucking people find you. Unless for some reason your shit gets shared out of nowhere and you become an overnight success. Likely that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna just keep it G real, because today I got time. You can also use lives on Instagram. This is something I haven't done in a long, long time, but lives are also very, very important. Would you guys like me to go live on YouTube actually? That'd be awesome. Let me know in the comments down below. You even reach a larger audience. You can't be camera shy for your business. I know it may be hard to kind of get in front of the camera sometimes and do this and look as good as I do. I mean, a bitch bad and whatnot. No, you have to utilize your lives, because this signals everybody on your list that, hey, or everybody that's online right now, you're going live. Tune in, and they have a chance to reach out to you right then and there directly. This is for Instagram, okay? Moving on. Oh, I got my hoodie on, look like I got a beanie on, nigga. Where? I'm gonna give you 10 ways to grow on TikTok. I love TikTok. I used to honestly hate TikTok. So it's not that I hated it. I thought it was really childish to be on TikTok. When I say that, I mean there was a lot of younger kids. I mean, I'm 28. There was a lot of younger kids on TikTok. And I was like, I don't know if this is the app for us. Feel me? Us 90s babies, feel me? But I got on it and you realize TikTok has a lot more to offer than just funny ass videos. That is a main source for learning things, growing things. I mean, it's honestly fucking incredible. If you're not on TikTok, you're still, once again, losing. These apps are super, super unique. And right now we're in a generation where social media is allowing you to just grow and expand so much on these apps. You can have 40,000 followers on TikTok now, and that's not even a lot. For me, that's awesome, and it's helped me grow almost I'm almost pushing 300,000 in revenue, and it's crazy. And this is just me doing this, you know what I mean? So Get on TikTok. You are going to love it. It's going to change your life and the life of your business. Now, it was easier to go viral on TikTok, but with their new algorithm, it's not as easy anymore, okay? So you have to, one, find your target audience. Those are the people that are gonna hold you down and support you. Now it's kind of like Instagram based, where it's like, you gotta find your core people using hashtags, right? You gotta use those same hashtags on TikTok. But those core people are gonna find you and they're gonna fuck with you. Number 2, leverage trends like a mother butter, okay? Leveraging these trends, implementing these trends in your business is only going to encapsulate what you do, who you are as a person even more. They're gonna be like, this guy is pretty fucking funny, I wanna use him. Or this guy's smart enough to use these tools to promote and grow his business, I wanna go support his business. Using these trends is because people are doing these trends and so many of these videos are showing up. Your video can be one of them and you can grow. Also, here's a video of TikTok trends that I did. We'll play some right now. They're not that long. Right here.
This how me and my homies persuade customers into buying t-shirts.
Now that you have an understanding, creating trends can help your business grow. They'll get you more attention. And this is gonna lead into my 3rd tip for you guys, okay? Educate your followers. It doesn't have to be that serious on TikTok all the time. But if you want to take it to a serious approach in your field, your business, people want to know how to do these things. You can give away the sauce and still have enough for your fucking pizza. Okay, I'm using this analogy. Everybody can have a slice of pizza. The ones that want to do the work the most are going to eat. The ones that are not are gonna put that shit back in the refrigerator or whatever the case may be. You understand what the fuck I'm saying? You can share your advice on TikTok to help your followers. Anybody that wants to learn, grow, because they're gonna look at you and go, damn, I really trust this person, or they were awesome enough to give me the sauce. When you can do that, and you're comfortable enough to do that, more people will start fucking with you. I promise that. Hey, come here. Use those hashtags on TikTok. Use them. 5, cross-promote your videos. Find people to promote with, or do blind reactions. You can commentate on other people's videos or be like, hey, they ain't doing that right. Or, damn, I love the way they doing that. I'm gonna use this. And shout that person out. They might wanna fuck with you and collab with you. Come on. Number 6, post at the right time. Find out your analytics. Move to a business account if you have to, and find out the right times to post for your business. You have to find the right time to post. My sweet spot is sometimes around 9 p.m. I don't know why. That's when I post sometimes, and woo, it goes up. It goes up. But then sometimes when I post, I don't see shit. It's a hit or miss, guys. This is social media. What are you gonna do? You just gotta get up and do the work. Number 7, all right, participate in challenges. These are not just trends, guys. You can do challenge videos, challenges that are circulating around TikTok, and also incorporate them in your business. Number 8, engage with other TikTok creators. Go on people's videos. I was gonna say posts. Go on, there are posts though. Go on people's videos, comment on them, like them. 4 or more words, guys. That's the secret right there. Don't tell anybody I told you that. 4 more words. Otherwise, 1 is not enough, and 2 is not enough, 3 is not enough. You need 4 or more. This goes for Instagram too. 4 or more words, not emojis. 4 or more words, and that will help you get up there in the ranks, likes, and stuff like that. I had a comment that went viral on TikTok, and it was kind of rude. Don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna put it up here again, but it got over 750 something thousand likes, bro. Hella comments. Sometimes, and those people followed me based off that comment. Interact with other TikTok creators, even if it's not directly to them. Hey, I'm bunching up my hands and serious about this shit. Even if it's not directly to them, comment, like on their videos, okay? Support. That's all you gotta do is support. Number 9, boy, what's that? I went like this and put this down like I'm fucking in Wolverine or something. Anyways, number 9, try a TikTok growth tool. TikTok also has sponsored ads, guys. you can pay for ads. Do not look at that as like some form of cheating or sometimes your shit needs a boost to get in front of the right people. And I personally never used them. I don't know if they're super expensive. You're gonna have to look into that on your own personal time, okay? Number 10, frequently asked questions. You can put a Q&A in your bio and people can ask questions about what the fuck you do, how do you do it, things that, and you can respond directly to those people, which creates much more engagement. People go, oh shit, he's responding to me. I feel so loved by this creator. Oh my God. That was 10 things for you for TikTok. We did the Instagram thing. Let's jump right into Facebook. So Facebook, I don't directly promote on Facebook at all. I use Facebook's marketing, okay? That's a whole nother video. Look into that. That's the sauce for the pizza. I don't promote on Facebook directly. I do use their marketing tools, but I don't promote on there directly. What I mean is I don't post on there directly. My Facebook is linked to my Instagram. When I post on Instagram, I'm posting on Facebook. So that's simple for you. If you don't have an Instagram, you're fucking losing! God! You can set up your Facebook on your Instagram and then post, create a business page on Facebook, get likes going. But what I like to do is I like to have reviews on my Facebook. There are some trustworthy people on Facebook and it's still a valuable option to have that platform going for you. Some people may not have Instagram, I get it. Terrible, right? I know. Some people may not have TikTok. People are gonna have Facebook, and your Facebook page can show up on people's radar. Yes, it can still happen. It's still very valuable. Any social media is very, very valuable. That was a quick video, guys. I have nothing else to say right now. It's late, I'm recording on my floor right now. It's the end of the workday for me. But I just wanted to come on here and give you some tips and tricks to help scale and grow your DTG business on social media platforms. If there's anything you thought I left out or anything you want me to add, please like this video, comment down below. As I said, it just helps me show up in YouTube's algorithm even more, okay? Guys, there are links also in the description that can help you start your DTG business today. Please go check them out. All American Print Supply was awesome enough to help me. They helped me in the last video. They're not sponsoring me, but we're trying to work out this little thing, okay? I'm saying Epson's in the description down below. Please, if you want to support the channel, click on some of those links in the description down below. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.